Ever wondered how to make that mouth-watering chicken inasal that everyone's raving about? We're diving into the delicious world of chicken inasal, a popular grilled chicken dish from the Philippines that's bursting with flavor. The first thing we need to do is prepare our marinade, which is a crucial step in making this dish. We are going to do it old-fashioned today. Crush 6 cloves of garlic, 1 stack of lemongrass and 1-inch ginger in a mortar and pestle. You can sure do this with a food processor. All the crushed ingredients in a bowl. Add lemon juice, Sprite, vinegar, brown sugar and ground black pepper. Mix everything properly. In a separate bowl, put the chicken and add in the marinade. Coat the chicken with the marinade, then transfer into a Ziploc bag and rest in the fridge at least overnight. By the way, the list of ingredients is in the description below. And if new to my channel, don't forget to click the like, subscribe and notification bell for more delicious recipes. Let us start cooking. Put the chicken leg quarters in a roasting rack and cover it with a foil. Cook in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for an hour. While the chicken is in the oven, let us make the basting sauce. In a pan, melt a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and add a tablespoon of annatto seeds for that vibrant orange color. Remove the seeds once you are happy with the color. Add 4 cloves of garlic. Once that is aromatic, add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Let it simmer over low heat for 3 to 5 minutes or until the sauce has reduced. Add a bit of salt and black ground pepper. After an hour in the oven, the chicken is now ready for grilling. We'll move on to the grilling part, where I'll share some secrets on how to achieve that perfect char and smokiness. By following these steps, you'll be guaranteed a chicken inasal that's both flavorful and visually appealing. Grill the chicken for 7 to 10 minutes each side. Brush the chicken with the basting sauce generously. Do not forget to turn the chicken from time to time. And each turn, don't be shy to brush the chicken with the basting sauce. When you taste the real deal, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's that perfect harmony of charred, smoky goodness on the outside and juicy, flavorful meat on the inside. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to check out our other cooking videos. We love sharing our kitchen adventures with you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty adventures in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!